Here's the large miter I did after adjusting the saw. It's just held together with super glue. So you can see, pretty strong, but super glue is very brittle. Here's a quick tip on tying off a string line. Start by putting a little tension, wrap it around the screw, and pinch it at about 8 inches. Now pull it forward a little bit so you can get your finger inside the loop, and we're going to make 6 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and put the string back on the screw. Now we want to tension the string to our specific tightness. So we're going to pull forward on the string and pull back on the loose end and push it forward a little bit. Pull forward, pull back until you get the desired tension. Once you have the tension you want, take the loose end of the string and pull it towards the screw. Now let go. It's now locked in place. Now to release the string, we take the loose end, we pull it away from the screw and let go. And it will release itself with no entanglement and no knots because we haven't put any knots in there. Here's a trick in chalking a diagonal line across your piece. If you hook the chalk line on the edge and try to do a diagonal line, it'll just slide down your piece and you won't be able to get an accurate line. So what we need to do first is take our razor blade and just cut a little wedge into the board. Put the line in the cut you made. Draw it across the board and snap your line. When this starts to build up, knock it off with a brush. And then I also take my eraser, and you can see the difference once I use the eraser. Get a smooth side. It really cleans off the metal fibers and fragments that get stuck in the paper. And this will cut much cleaner now.